In today's video, I am going to teach you Wix Members Area Complete tutorial. Once you have added the Wix Members Area to your site, the next part is setting up how visitors can sign up and log in. This is an important area because it controls who can become a member and how secure that process will be. Start by going to your Wix dashboard. From there, open Settings and then select Site Members. This is where Wix gives you control over the membership experience for your website. If you are creating a site with private content, exclusive pages, or member-only features, this section is where you will manage access. Inside Site Members, click on Sign Up and Login Security. This area lets you decide how open or restricted your membership system will be. Take a moment here, because this choice affects how people join your site and how much control you want over approvals. You will see an option to choose between everyone or only people I approve. If you select everyone, any visitor who signs up can become a member right away. This is a good option if you want a faster and more open sign-up process. It works well for communities, blogs, or sites where you want to reduce barriers for new users. If you choose only people I approve, new member requests will need your approval before access is granted. This option is useful if you want more control over who joins, especially for private groups, internal portals, or sites with restricted content. It gives you an added layer of oversight before someone becomes an active member. After that, set your login security preferences. This is where you define how secure you want the sign-in experience to be. Depending on your site goals, you may want to make the process simple and convenient, or add stronger protections for member accounts. You can also review your social authentication preferences. This allows you to choose whether members can sign in using supported social login options. Social login can make registration faster and easier for users, since they do not always need to create a separate login from scratch. At the same time, you should choose the option that best matches the level of control and user experience you want on your site. Once these settings are in place, your Wix Members area will be configured for sign-up and login based on your preferences. This helps you create a smoother experience for visitors while keeping access aligned with your site's purpose. That covers everything you need to know.